Did you know that big companies spend millions making professional ad videos to promote their brands? But here's the secret. If you want, you can offer to create high-quality videos just like the big guys. Look at these ads from top brands. They're some of the most well-known names, and they're creating these amazing ads using AI. You can approach top brands and tell them we can create AI-powered ads for you that cost less, but look just as professional. And here's the best part. You don't need expensive cameras, fancy editors, or huge budgets to create these ads. Today, I will share the method of creating professional-level commercials. Let's dive in. Imagine, I want to create a commercial for this product from Amazon. Before starting to create the video, we need a storyboard. To create a storyboard, I will take the help of ChatGPT. After coming to ChatGPT, simply type, "Create a storyboard of a commercial for a lipstick company." Here are the product details. After that, enter the product name and then enter the product details and then hit the enter button. And here it is. You can see that ChatGPT provided us with a perfect storyboard of the commercial. Alright, our storyboard is ready. Now let's create the video. To create the video, I will use an amazing AI tool called AI Video. This is one of the best AI tools for video production. You can generate any kind of video in a few seconds. I will put the link in the description. Just head over there. Once you are on this page, click on Get Started and then create an account. Okay, this is the AI Video dashboard. Here, you can see some of my previous generations. To create a new video, we have to come here. You will find two options to create videos. Generate a complete video from a script or topic and explore it from scratch in the editor. The second option gives you more control over video generation, but takes a huge amount of time and effort. Here, you have to follow a few steps to create the videos. First, generating the visuals. Here, you can generate videos and images and turn images into videos. To generate the videos, you can use powerful video generator models like Kling, Luma, and even Minimax. After selecting all the settings, you have to enter the text prompts in this box. Once done, hit the Generate button. You will get the videos, and they will be added to the timeline. After generating the visuals, you have to generate the voiceover. After coming to this page, simply enter the script here in this box, and then hit the Generate button. And in this same method, you can generate sound effects, music, and captions for your video. If you think this is time-consuming, then come back to the dashboard and select Generate Complete Video from a script or topic. This is basically to create videos within a few clicks. You don't need any expertise or even a story. These are all templates. You will find a bunch of options here and have to select as per your need. As I want to create a commercial or product video, I will use this product marketing template. After selecting the template, simply click on the next button from here. This is the video creator page. Here, first, we have to enter the concept of our video. I will simply copy the product name and then paste it here. After that, we have to select a hook from here. You will find some popular hooks here, but if you want to use your own, choose Custom from the top of the list. Next, if you already have a script, you can enter it here in this box. I won't use any script. Alright, after the script, you can upload the existing or pre-made media. I won't use any media files. Next, we have to choose the video duration. You can create 15-second to 150-second long videos. After that, we have to choose an art style. Here you will find various options. First, the AI generated. If you want to generate images or video clips with AI, then you have to use this AI generated option. Next, you will find various media sources like Wikipedia, diagrams, stock videos, stickers, word art, and GIFs. Use them as per your need. Okay, next, if you have chosen the AI-generated option, then you have to choose an AI-generated style. Here you will find various styles like cartoon, realistic, abstract, 3D, pixel art, and more. You can even mention a custom style here in this box. Next, the editor's note. It's very important. Here you can give instructions about video editing. This means what the video editing patterns will be. As the editor's note, we have to use the storyboard we created with ChatGPT. Simply copy the storyboard and then paste it here in the editor's note box. After the editor's note, we have the Upload a Product or Character Reference option. Here, you can upload a product image if you are creating a product video, and any character image if you want to create a consistent character video. Here I will use the product image we are making the video. First, enter the name here in this box. After that, enter the product description. Now we have to upload product images here. You can upload up to 4 images. Alright, after that, set the aspect ratio. At this moment, you can create videos in landscape and portrait orientation. Next, we have to choose the caption style. I don't use captions, so I am turning it off. Next, you have to select a voiceover from here. This is not important for us. After that, select a background music style. Now, you have to describe your target audience. You can skip it also. In the end, if you want to save this as a custom template to use in the future, then you can save it as a template. It will save time for you. Alright, once everything is set, hit the Generate button. And here it is. AI video has started its work. It will take some time. So, let's fast forward this part. Alright, our video is ready. Let's have a look.
Luxury, color, and care in one stroke. Introducing L'Oréal Paris Color Riche. Lipstick, 4 vibrant families of color. 52 shades for every mood, every moment. Infused with 75% caring ingredients, argan oil and vitamin E, for lips that feel as soft as they look. No smudging, no feathering, just rich.
That's really amazing. It creates a perfect commercial for the product. The scenes are just amazing and use the real product footage. I like it. This is really an amazing product video. Now, to download the video, click on the download icon from here. To edit the video, click on the edit button from here. This is the video editing interface. This is basically the advanced video generation interface we talked about earlier. Now you can generate the visuals with AI, as I talked about earlier. After that, in the voiceover section, you will find the script. You can customize the script and generate a new voiceover. You can even change the voice actor. In this method, you can customize the sound effects and music too. And in the end, you will find the option to customize the captions. There is another amazing AI-powered feature available here at the top of the page called AI Edit. This tool allows you to customize the video with AI. You just have to type the command here. For example, I am typing, "Create an amazing BGM for a beauty product commercial." And here it is, the music is generated. You can edit the video from the timeline just like a professional video editor. I am doing some customization. Take your time to customize the video. Once done, hit the export button to export the video. Alright, our video is ready. Let's have a look at the final video. I think this is a perfect and high-quality commercial. You can make it more engaging by putting in some extra effort. In conclusion, till now, AI Video is the best AI video generator for creating informative videos that I have experienced. So, if you want to create this kind of video, don't forget to try the tool yourself. Link in the description. In the end, this is a paid tool. You can start your journey from $19, which is a reasonable price. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear your opinion about creating informative videos with AI Video. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.